omo senata bwe county ya Nyamira omo skeri kyo kwa mugeni niga ichainire egetamukiro kuna egetamukiro senate nyante kwa gweti kiyaita kuikabono iga engwani tiranya kabo gwikiwa gosoro boti urundanya kabo gwikiwa bosyo bwe bunge bwe county ya Nyamira nigo aboriri boigo aba senata banyaka bagutalira county eyo maminja no guchika we kamati ya devolution iyo nyante kabo gwichika abuna aba senata banyaka bagwikirana bosyo bwe senate watakana no kubori kwaye omo senata kwa mugeni nigo omo speaker we senate muske Amason Cheba Kingi anyaka bagagochika kamati ya gwikirana abosyo gwikirana ase bunge ya county Nyamira no gotora chingwana amo naba MCA bonsi eliko nyaraka bagokora kumusano kwa nyaka bakwanekwa asigeka ime ye bunge ya county ya Nyamira.
It is a total it's a total abuse of office or power by this committee, Madam Mr. Speaker, to summon all my 36 MCAs to Nairobi, whereas the resolution of the House was clear that they should visit the county assembly at the county assembly gazetted premises in Nyamira, Mr. Speaker. I want to seek directive, Mr. Speaker, from you to direct two things, Mr. Speaker. One, the resolution that was passed by this House, Mr. Speaker, on the 15th of May should be communicated to the county assembly of Nyamira. Two, the committee should respect, Mr. Speaker, the resolution that was passed by this honorable House that directed them to visit the MCAs at the county assembly gazetted premises in Nyamira. Mr. Speaker, we don't have resources to pay per diem to 36 MCAs and their drivers and 3 clerks to come and do a meeting in Nairobi. In fact, I've gone through standing orders, Mr. Speaker. I've not seen any standing order that has given power to any committee of this House to summon an entire county assembly to come to attend a committee meeting in Nairobi, Mr. Speaker. So I seek your direction, Mr. Speaker, that the resolution of this House be respected, and if the committee wants to have any engagement with the county assembly of Nyamira, the same be done within the resolution that we passed as a House. That meeting be held at the gazetted county assembly premises in Nyamira, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you. The resolutions as passed by this House must be communicated to the County Assembly of Nyamira, and that must be done within the next 3 days. Secondly, pursuant to the resolutions that are passed, the Devolution Committee was supposed to visit Nyamira County Assembly. It did not indicate that Nyamira County Assembly was the one to visit the Senate. And therefore, let the concerned committee visit the County Assembly of Nyamira as resolved by the House and not otherwise.